Hello, how are you? This is Albert Gené from Acústic Celler, owner and winemaker. Today I want to share with you this beautiful Acústic Red 2017 that I'm making this wine since 2004 vintage. Acústic Celler is my project. It's a project based on very old vineyards in the Montsant appellation. I started buying some vineyard in 2003 and now we own 42 hectares of vineyards from 25 to 95 years old. An Acústic Red is 70% carinyena, 30% garnatxa, vineyards from 25 to 70 years old, aged 10 months in French oak barrels, and we are looking for showing acoustic wine, like acoustic music, so unplugged, fruity, juicy vineyard wine. It's a very intense, very powerful, with red fruitiness, black fruitiness wine. And it shows a lot of character, a lot of intensity, and you can drink it now or the next 10 years. I hope you enjoy.